Okay, here I am. I just had to lock Milo outside. He just goes crazy when I'm on a video. He's not nowhere near like Chubby was. Chubby, he would get my lap, no big deal. He'd go. This guy wants to play all the time. But so forget it. He's outside right now. But yeah, go figure. Been a long time since I've had a video, and of course the reason's Milo, because I've got to watch him every minute. What did I find the other day? He tried to swallow a drill bit the other day. He's chewed up the handles on a couple of my spatula and one of my other big cooking spoons. Oh, he's chewed up quite a bit of stuff. I said, oh, well, he'll get over this puppy stage in about 2 years. Well, that means I got another 8 months to go. So yeah, it's still a challenge to have him around when I have to do anything. He's better out in the garage than he is inside the house when you got to do something like this. But what I want to show you today is just some of the projects I got here. I haven't been able to get to because of him. And so anyway, let's see if this comes out too dark. I don't know, it might. Even though I got a light up there on top and I got other stuff. Okay, so I have this guy here. That was a Spice radio, and I still haven't gotten back to it. So I don't know if it showed up to me when a woman said, oh, well, it works, but it just hums. I said, no, it doesn't work. It just it just hums, period. That's it. You can't pick up anything in it. Then, of course, whoop, I got this, and I haven't worked on it yet. Got tubes for it, but there you go. So I'm going to get a better shot of it there. Seems like everything works on it, but I just got to go through it, and I still haven't been able to check it out yet. It's another one. Then, of course, the Heath Signal Tracer over there. The IT12 is what it's called. That's one I'm probably going to look at now. Let's see if I can get around here. Angle myself down here. See this thing. Okay. Now let's get a little closer. So I do have, at least I had the assembly manual. I bought that separately for this. It's the IT12 Visual Oral Signal Tracer. Well, it says visual because it does have the old magic eye tube in it, which I also had to buy on top with the other two tubes that are in there. Had to buy those as well. It came with no tubes, so that was another expense. You can see it doesn't look too bad. I mean, the speaker cover there is a bit dirty, and it's got some nicks and stuff on it, so I got to touch that up. I'll see what I can do with that. And the other thing I have for it was it came with no probe, no audio or RF probes. So I got this from Scotty's sled shed, you know. So it's got pretty much everything you need for the two probes. So I still got to wire that up. And the other one, this also from the same outfit. these are all the parts to replace in this thing. So I've got to do that, especially electrolytics. I'll go through, and most of the others look like they have disc ceramic capacitors, which shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, so I got that to do too. But and then I found a couple of wires that were just hanging there. Why, I don't know. They were these down here. I don't know why they were hanging out there. They're supposed to go to the audio output transformer. Why they cut them off, I had no idea. So I redid those. Can't see you guys so good. Let's see. And we crank it back now. Okay. Yeah. There's the wires up here by the speaker. These guys up here, they're both cut off. They're hanging out somewhere. I don't know why they were just hanging off to one side. And I was thinking, well, maybe it doesn't work. But check the transformer. Nothing wrong with it. So, oh well. So, yeah, I got to have some time to work on this. And I'll probably have to video that too, but right now I can't get to it. In fact, well, wait a second, I've got another one, another project. Forgot. Let's see. Don't mind me, I'm not going to shut it off until I get over here. Here we are, shop number 2. Let's see, oh, pretty dark, as usual. Okay, let's see where my plug it in somewhere. Where's the other one? There we go. The problem around this place is he won't want the lights on overhead. The lighting here is just totally terrible. I've had this house for 15 years. It was made in 2004, and the lighting's always been bad. I don't know what the deal was. And then this is the Emerson radio I was doing. And I did finish the cabinet. So the cabinet's refinished. It's this guy here. So it's all ready to go there. And the back fork, it was in good shape. I didn't have to do anything to it. I mean, it's pretty nice anyway, so that'll go back. And the radio itself, I believe I got that thing going. Let's see. Let me see. Antenna still connected? Yep, antenna's connected. So let me see. Let's see if that will work.
Holding signs, taking photos, starting chants.
Does work. That's what it was. Dial string, that's what it was I needed to do on this one. It does work, I just have to replace one more electrolytic in it. But anyway, so yeah, I gotta get back to all this stuff. It's just, with Milo, it's almost impossible most of the time. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll talk to you guys later when I get something going here. Bye for now.